So today I'm going to reveal the best email subject lines that are highly converting, which are tested and proven for years. So if you are doing email marketing, so you will get tested and proven headlines to really boost your email marketing growth. So if you are new to email marketing, this is the best resource you can get to grab proven subject lines. So please watch this video till the end to know more about 60 inspiration for your email marketing. Subscribe to my channel Ravi Bandaru to view the latest videos I post in this channel, and click on bell icon to get notifications whenever I post new videos. Get started and see what are these subject lines, right? So I'm showing you access to 7,682 subject lines that were actually tested. So this is tested in 2018, 2019 and 2020 split test data that is created by testing against 5 radically different subject lines. So this information, these subject lines are coming from well-known email marketer Matt Bucklock, and he is very successful in email marketing, and he is providing access to these swipe files for very minimal price, and this product is getting launched on December 28th, 11 a.m. EST. So I'm going to go through this actual subject lines and why you need these subject lines if you are doing email marketing, and how it will help you grow your online business quickly. Right, so these are actual subject lines that are tested, so we don't need to worry about whether these are working or not. And this is basically coming from a well-known email marketing expert, Matt Bucklock, and so I will give a link in the description below, so you can see the actual demo video of these subject lines, how these got tested, and how it is getting converted, so you can get a full idea about these subject lines before you buy. And so these are actually 7,682 subject lines that were actually tested, and like how important it is in email marketing to use the correct subject line. So if you are getting like resources which are tested for years, and you will save a lot of time and money in recreating these subject lines. So you can directly use these subject lines in your email marketing and start making sales, right? So if you are sending emails, right, so this is explained in this product video. And so Matt is one of the few guys who actually tests stuff instead of just pretending like he tests it. It's like many others do. So if he is giving you his tested and proven subject lines that he is seen work better, so that is worth a small fortune to the smart marketer. So this is some of the comments that is coming from people who used these subject lines. So if you are a small marketer, and this is like a really gold to get these subject lines at a very low price, right? This is what you are going to get. So the email marketer secret weapon. So my split test data master file. So this master file you're going to get which has 7,082 subject lines that were actually tested. And basically, who is Matt Bucklock? He is like an email marketing legend who is very successful in the last 2 years, right? So basically, if you use these subject lines, this is the missing link between the real money with email marketing, and it's only available for a very short time. And along with this subject lines, you also get like a short video on how to generate leads in 60 seconds as part of this product. So here is the proof. There is a demo video on this sales page, which you can access by clicking on the link in the description. So you can watch how Matt tested these emails in the last 3 years, and how we found like these high converting subject lines, right? So once you get access to this, you can also get access to, so this is the engagement matrix from email subscribers for Matt, and you can also get like similar results based on this. So you can see this open rates, click rate, and unsubscribe rate. So the open rate is like in the orange, and click rate is went up to 20%. So very low unsubscription rate because of these subject lines. So he easily tripled his business, and you can do the same in your email marketing. Also, there is a actual bonus of 60-second lead generation. This is basically a video training guide. You're going to get access to, so that you can generate leads in 60 seconds. Right? It's the free video training guide. So this is the package you're going to get. So why you need to get this is like the price is keep going up as the time passes by. So this is getting launched on December 28th, 11 a.m. EST. So you can grab it on the launch day to get like lowest price. So after that, the price keeps going up, and this is guaranteed by 100% money back guarantee for 60 days. So if you don't like it, you can cancel it and get your money back at any time. So basically, so if you are doing email marketing, or if you want to get started on email marketing, grabbing these subject lines is very important. And I personally like products from Matt Bacok because he provides what he uses, and is an email marketing expert. I also provided a link for email marketing strategies. If you are new to email marketing, in the description, and the link in the description below, so you can get started on email marketing if you are new with that link. So you are going to get, so these files instantly delivered to you when you buy this product. You get like a master file of 7,682 subject lines that were actually tested, and a bonus video of 60-second lead generation by Matt Bacok. So when you buy this product, right? So if you want to get to know more details, click on the link in the description to know more about this product. And don't forget, if you like this video, click on the like button, share it with your friends to pass on this benefits to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So please put any comments or questions in the comment section below. I will reply.